Bonjour à tous! J'espère que vous tous allez très bien. Je m'appelle Moksha et vous êtes à Language Fluent. Hey linguists, hope you're doing well. My name is Moksha and you're watching Language Fluent. Language Fluent is an institute that teaches foreign languages for job or immigration purpose. So we provide 2-year job-oriented courses here at Language Fluent. For further details, contact us on the given numbers or you can download the application link which is available in the description box. Donc, today we are going to learn a very interesting topic in French. So, this topic is about 3 famous French things. 3 famous French things. So, today we will learn about 3 things which are very famous and very well known in France. So, the first thing is cheese. Cheese, as you can see. Then, second is wine. And third is perfume. So, in today's video, I will be providing you with some facts about cheese, wine and perfume, and along with that, we will be also looking at varieties of cheese and brands of these wine and perfume. So, make sure you watch this video till the end. So, how do we say 3 famous French things in France? We say les 3 choses célèbres en France. Again, les 3 choses célèbres en France. So, here 3 is 3, choses means things, célèbres means famous, en France means in France. So, in today's lecture, I will be teaching you cheese, varieties of cheese. What is cheese known as in French? Le fromage. Le fromage. What do we call wine? Wine, le vin. Le vin in French. And perfume is known as le parfum. Le parfum in French. Now, the interesting fact is France produces more than 400 varieties of cheese. Yes, more than 400 varieties of cheese in this country. Then, if we talk about wine, France has the highest production of wine. It produces more than 3,000 wines. Yes, 3,000. The number is very big. 3,000 wines in France. And if we talk about perfume, most of you must be knowing that the first country to produce perfume was Egypt. But now France has the highest production of perfumes all over the world. So the production of perfume is highest in France. This was about facts regarding these 3 things. Now we will be looking at names or varieties and brands of these things. So make sure you watch this video completely. Also, please look at the pronunciation of each and every variety and brand. So, the first section is section A, and here we will look at varieties of cheese. Le fromage. So, we have names of varieties of cheese and you have to concentrate on pronunciation. So, we have abondance. Abondance. Then Bano, Bano. Then Beaufort, Beaufort. Then Bleu d'Auvergne, Bleu d'Auvergne. Then Bleu de Causse, Bleu de Causse. Then Brie de Melun, Brie de Melun. Then Briat Savarin, Briat Savarin. Then Québécois, Québécois. Then Concoyote, Concoyote. Then Camembert, Camembert. Then Chabichou du Poitou. Again, Chabichou du Poitou. Then we have Chaours, Chaours. Then Chevrotin, chevrota. Then compte. Compte. Then époisse. Époisse. Then fromage blanc. Fromage blanc. Then longre. Longre. Then livarot. Livarot. Then mimoyet. Mimoyet. Then pelardon. Pelardon. Then we have Roquefort. Roquefort. Then Tom fresh. Tom fresh. Then Trou du Cru. Trou du Cru. And the last one is Valençay. Valençay. So these are varieties or the names of cheese in France. Now the second section is le vin, that is the wine. So here we will look at varieties of French wine, wines produced in France. You must be knowing few wines, but pronunciation in English is different, and in French we have unique way of pronunciation. So you need to concentrate on pronunciation. So we will go slowly one by one. First one is champagne. Champagne. Then we have Bordeaux. Bordeaux. Then Burgundy. Burgundy. Then Condrieu. Condrieu. Then Le Newbie. Le Newbie. Then Loire Valley White. Loire Valley White. Rhône Valley Red. Rhône Valley Red. Then Chateau Margaux. Chateau Margaux. Then Petrus. Petrus. Then Romane Conti. Romane Conti. Then Bondol. Bondol. Then Beaujolais. Beaujolais. Then La Vieille Ferme Rouge. La Vieille Ferme Rouge. So these are the brands of wines produced in France. Now section 3, that is the last section, is Le Parfum. Le Parfum, that is perfumes. Again we have brands of perfumes over here. You must be knowing few of them, but pronunciation of these perfumes in French is different than in English. So we will be looking the pronunciation right now. So here we have first one, Chanel numéro 5. Chanel numéro 5. Then we have Yves Saint Laurent. Yves Saint Laurent. Then Guerlain. Guerlain. Then Dior. Dior. Then Thierry Mugler. Thierry Mugler. Then Nina Ricci. Nina Ricci. Then Lancôme. Lancôme. Then Diptyque. Diptyque. Then Chloé. Chloé. Then Goutal Paris. Goutal Paris. Then Maison Margiela. Maison Margiela. Then Serge Lutens. Serge Lutens. And the last one that we have is Hermes. erm. So here we don't pronounce H, we just say erm. Thank you. Dunk, we are at the end of our lecture. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video. Hit the bell icon which is there on your YouTube app to never miss on our updates. Also hit like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. To register for the full courses at Language Fluent, contact us on the given numbers or check the description box where you can fill the form. We also provide translator and interpreter services at Language Fluent. So, à bientôt, merci beaucoup, thank you so much.